Hello everyone and welcome back to my final morning report trust appraisal on Friday the 3rd of February with me, which Power Market Analyst at Antec Markets on non-5 payrolls Friday. Looking at gold, and we're still in this range play on gold. Yesterday we had an intraday breakout but couldn't hold the close above 12.20. Just slightly sort of moving back towards the middle point of the day, mid-trading range, and sort of down really a little bit today. As the dollar has started to strengthen, you look at these momentum indicators, you wouldn't really be getting too crazy about the gold MACD lines or the RSI really sort of just rolling over a little bit, isn't it, as they are on the stochastic. So it's still a range play. I think until you get the close above 12.20, and certainly the little corrective move today back down to 12.14, a little bit lower on the day, not really helping that. You've got this hourly chart uptrend. Yes, it was broken on an inch very briefly, but to be honest, generally we're sort of pulling higher lows throughout, and the MACD lines and the RSI, MACD lines above neutral all the time, and the RSI above 40. So if you start to see that breaking down, RSI below 40, MACD lines sort of pulling sort of consistently below neutral, then maybe that's starting to sort of put pressure back on the downside again. 12.10 is the initial low today, which has been a bit of a pivot line historically, interestingly. So maybe that will come back into play again. But back below 12.10, that would again turn it a little bit more corrective. But then you sort of look at 12, big figure area again. That's the big psychological level and historic support as well. But generally speaking, I think you're still playing the range. I think payrolls is going to drive a lot of volatility. So today you got a strong payrolls report. That would pull gold lower. Weak payrolls report pull gold higher. So watch out for that this afternoon. But generally speaking, gold looks still a little bit range bound, still uncertain in terms of the bulls as to whether they can break out to the upside. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading, and I will speak to you again on Monday. Thank you.